Well, we are adding a couple of books for our story time. Do you read aloud to your children? Or are you wondering how to prepare them to become successful readers? Well, there is no such important activity to prepare them. Children learn to love the language even before they know the existence of printed words in a page. Reading aloud to children helps them develop imagination and understand the world. So, fill up your story time with books, be consistent, be patient, and see the magic. I have a special guest with me today. For you. She's going to read aloud her special book. Do you want to know who she is? Let's have a look.
Today I'm reading the book. Are you ready to play outside?
Piggy!
Gerald!
Are you ready to play outside?
Yes, yes, yes! We are going to do everything today. We are going to run. We are going to skip. We are going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Blink. Oh no! It is starting to rain. It is raining. It is pouring. It is really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I am not a happy pig. Thank you, Gerald. But it is still raining. How can anyone play outside with all this rain?
Rain! Yay! Splash, splish, splish, splash, splash. They are having fun. Maybe we can have fun too.
We can try.
Splash!
This is great. Let's play.
Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump.
I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Oh. Right. Now I like rain. And now the rain has stopped. I'm not happy pig.
Do not worry, Piggy. I have a plan.
Rain? Yay! Elephants make the best friends. Yay! The end! Subscribe my video. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.